Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, whisk together the sugar, cornstarch, and salt until they are thoroughly combined. This step is crucial for a smooth pudding. Next, slowly pour in the 2 cups of milk, continuously stirring to avoid any lumps forming. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it thickens to your desired consistency, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once your pudding has reached the perfect thickness, remove it from the heat immediately. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to infuse that wonderful flavor throughout. Carefully pour the hot pudding into your chosen serving dishes or a single large bowl. To ensure a smooth top and prevent skin from forming, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the warm pudding before chilling. Finally, the waiting game. Chill your pudding in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This allows it to set properly and for the flavors to fully develop, giving you that rich, creamy texture everyone loves. When ready, serve it plain or with your favorite toppings like fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or a light sprinkle of cinnamon. For more great tips and deals, including a link for a fresh car scent, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.